Not that one. Look past me on the left. My left. Okay, flop your legs around. What's up guys? Okay, it's very bright out here. I wanted to show you what the width of this is for if you want to use this as a vlogging lens. This is an arm length away, and I would use this. It's tricky with the ND filter. You can't get it too dark, otherwise it makes that X on the screen. But wanted to just film this quickly while we wait for Jasmyn to change. Then we're going to do a smoke bomb shot out there, and we're going to head home. Anyway, hope you guys are enjoying it. So like and subscribe, and keep the comments coming. Is that your pose?
What are you saying? Not the time or the place, baby, it's not right. It's not right, no. Going insane. Got a problem to fix, can we face it tonight?
Okay, you can use it afterwards.
Face it tonight, oh. No way.
I think we should get only grass.
Maybe I can't
No
let go.
pole.
Maybe I thought you'd
Just
take
like it adds
my
though.
side, my side. No way, though. You never think it through. One more round, I'm not going down
Don't you
tonight.
pose?
Baby, you're worth the fight.
Photos. Sorry.
Why are you playing? No rhyme or reason, no, it's not fair.
Yeah, hold it there.
It's not fair, no. You said you were staying through the winter season, but you're not there. You're not there, no.
Go behind.
No way, though. Maybe I can't let go. Maybe I thought you'd take my side, my side. No way, though. You never think it through. One more round, I'm not going down tonight. Baby, you're worth the fight.
So we finished with the test run. This is not the 20mm because it's in my bag. But I just wanted to give it an end off. So this is my review. I'll try explain that focus breathing thing later. And then I think this lens is more suited to interior kind of photographers of like hotels and stuff. And then maybe for cars, or for like maybe when I shoot a breakdancer guy, so you can get that weird wide distorted look. But for people, it's too wide, I guess. So I'll show you the example. I'm more comfortable with a 35 and this 85 type of range for people. But it's a lot of fun and good for video, so I'll give you another review on it when we do like a dancer with it. Yeah. Follow Jasmyn if you want to see behind the scenes from today's video. She's been vlogging, so we don't know how good it's going to be, but it might be fun to watch. So check it out. I'll put the link at the end, and enjoy. Okay. You don't have to cover the lens this time, or you can.